Pakistan Thesis, Episode 1. Complete outline of the CPEC Thesis, 11 episodes. Overview. This is Pakistan Thesis. In this first episode, we present the complete academic outline of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, commonly known as CPEC. This CPEC thesis is structured into 11 major academic headings. Each heading will be covered in a separate, detailed episode, supported by official documents, government data, and international research institutions. This episode serves as a roadmap for the complete CPEC thesis. Outline 1. Strategic Geography of Pakistan. Outline number 1 focuses on the strategic geographic position of Pakistan. This section examines Pakistan's location at the junction of South Asia, Central Asia, the Middle East, and Western China, and how this geography forms the foundation of CPEC's regional importance. Outline 2. Conceptual Framework of CPEC. Outline number 2 explains what CPEC is. This section defines the scope, structure, phases, and institutional framework of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor as an integrated development initiative. Outline 3. Gwadar Port and Maritime Significance. Outline number 3 analyzes Gwadar Port. This section studies Gwadar's role as a deep-sea port, its strategic value for regional trade, and its significance for connectivity between China, Pakistan, and global maritime routes. Outline 4. Regional and global connectivity routes. Outline number 4 covers regional and global connectivity. This section examines land, rail, and sea routes linking Pakistan with China, Central Asia, the Middle East, and international markets. Outline 5. Energy sector development under CPEC. Outline number 5 focuses on energy sector development. This section evaluates CPEC energy projects, their contribution to power generation capacity, and their role in addressing Pakistan's energy shortages. Outline 6. Economic impact of CPEC. Outline number 6 analyzes the economic impact of CPEC. This section examines effects on GDP growth, foreign direct investment, trade expansion, and macroeconomic indicators. Outline 7. Employment generation and special economic zones. Outline number 7 addresses employment and industrial development. This section studies job creation, skill development, and the role of special economic zones under CPEC. Outline 8. Social sector impact. Outline number 8 focuses on social sector outcomes. This section evaluates CPEC's indirect impact on education, healthcare access, regional connectivity, and social development. Outline 9. Governance and institutional framework. Outline number 9 examines governance mechanisms. This section analyzes policy coordination, institutional capacity, regulatory frameworks, and administrative challenges related to CPEC implementation. Outline 10. Provincial and regional impact within Pakistan. Outline number 10 studies provincial and regional dimensions. This section reviews how CPEC affects different provinces and regions of Pakistan, including opportunities and disparities. Outline 11. Future outlook, risks, and strategic assessment. Outline number 11 presents the future outlook of CPEC. This section assesses long-term prospects, potential risks, sustainability challenges, and strategic implications for Pakistan.